Welcome back to the channel, you guys.
Hey everybody.
We have made our way to Holland, Michigan. We are at the Windmill Island Gardens. Join us today as we explore some beautiful things in the area and continue making our way north in Michigan. Holland, Michigan was settled in 1847 by a group of Dutch immigrants who came to America in search of religious freedom and opportunity. Today, Holland maintains its rich Dutch heritage. Windmill Island Gardens is a prime example. The 36-acre municipal park celebrates the city's rich Dutch heritage. The first thing we checked out was this street organ built by famous organ maker Carl Frey in 1928. It was a famous organ often played in the streets of Amsterdam and other Dutch cities. The 69-key organ was given to the city of Holland in 1947 by the city of Amsterdam for the role of the U.S. in liberating the Netherlands in World War II. At the heart of the gardens stands a fully operational 1761 Dutch windmill, imported from the Netherlands in 1964 and uniquely the only working Dutch windmill of its kind in the U.S. We climbed the 5 stories open to visitors for views of the dikes, canals, and gardens, and learned about how the mill is used for grinding flour. Sadly, we are at the gardens just after the most famous time of the year when the grounds are vibrant with approximately 150,000 tulip blooms. Imagine the view when those beautiful flowers are in season. What size do you think that is?
Size 33.
There's a carousel here at the gardens, but we can't go on it. It's for kids only. Our stop at the gift shop was a bit of a trip down memory lane for me. When I was in college, I had the amazing opportunity of spending several weeks in the Netherlands, and one stop was at the Volendam Cheese Factory, where we were able to sample a variety of cheeses. The shop here at the Gardens offers free samples of some quite unique cheeses, and we quite enjoyed trying them. Okay, this is different. Coconut Gouda. You gotta try this.
It does taste like coconut.
It's kind of weird.
Taste some cheese.
That's different.
Are there two? There's the two.
I also love seeing all the Klompen, the traditional wooden shoes from the Netherlands. I love these shoes.
Wonder if they have any of these in a size 13.
Originally, Klompen were crafted by hand from a single piece of wood and used by farmers, factory workers, and fishermen to protect their feet from mud, water, sharp tools, or heavy falling items. Klompen first appeared sometime in the medieval period and remained a fixture of daily life well into the 20th century. Steve, they do have your size.
Wow, look at all this fun stuff.
Each region in the Netherlands has its own style and shape, reflecting local traditions and preferences. Today, Klompen are largely used as souvenirs or a symbol of Dutch culture and heritage, although some people, especially farmers, still wear them.
There's not a lot of give in those shoes.
This miniature Little Netherlands village, with replicas of historical buildings depicting the Dutch way of life, was made by early settlers of the Holland, Michigan area. We finished our time at the Windmill Island Gardens. I would say it was just okay compared to some other places we visited. It's probably a lot nicer when the tulips are actually in bloom. We just missed that season. And also since 2020, during the whole COVID thing, they stopped doing the windmill, making the flower or whatever they make there. So I think if that had been working and the tulips had been blooming, it would have been a lot nicer. It was nice walking around there though, and there were definitely some neat things to see.
Who can argue with free cheese?
The free cheese was good, and that reminds me, I didn't mention before, it's $13 a person to get in there, but for us it was free because we're part of the rep program with the American Horticultural Society, so that definitely made it worth it for us. And now, it's time for some lunch. On the lunch menu today is some roast beef, which we have not had in quite a while, and some horseradish sauce.
Another lunch with another great view.
Next stop is Holland State Park. The lighthouse that you can see from here is the most photographed lighthouse in Michigan. Holland State Park, situated just west of downtown Holland, Michigan, spans both Lake Michigan and Lake Makatawa shores across 142 acres. It's one of the state's most visited parks. The park is renowned for its wide sugar sand beach on Lake Michigan and views of the iconic Big Red Lighthouse. Here it is, the Big Red Lighthouse. The Holland Harbor Lighthouse was originally erected in 1872 as a simple wooden structure, then was later replaced by a steel tower. The current Queen Anne-styled gabled structure was built in 1907 by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. It was painted bright red in 1956 to comply with navigational rules. In 1970, when the U.S. Coast Guard considered abandoning it, local residents rallied to preserve the landmark. Today, Big Red is Michigan's most photographed lighthouse and still serves as an active navigational aid illuminating the harbor channel. Oh my goodness, and it is a kite flying kind of day today. Look at all these kites. We are in Mount Pisgah. We're gonna take a little walk right here, and we're gonna walk up here. Oh man, lots of stairs. We did lots of stairs and climbing in the last video. Here we go. I only went 3 times.
Look, that's where we just were.
Look, it's the Big Red Lighthouse.
Oh, did somebody order pizza?
Pizza. Enough time in a day. So for dinner today, we did something that's quick and tasty and cheap. We like Little Caesars. So Grand Haven State Park here is our last stop for the night. We came here because we want to check out another lighthouse. Grand Haven State Park is a popular 48-acre sandy oasis on Lake Michigan's shoreline at the mouth of the Grand River. Extending from the park's northern edge, the iconic Grand Haven South Pier boasts twin red lighthouses built in the early 1900s.
Kind of regretting the short pants. Bad idea. I think I found the warmest spot in the sun and breaking the wind a little bit.
It is beautiful, but very cold out here. This is where our adventures end for today, but don't miss our next episode when we find our favorite Michigan spots as we keep making our way north toward the Upper Peninsula. We hope to see you then.
So what do you all think? Should we take the van up there?
If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram. See you next time for more adventure.